Take that, stupid clock! What a late night midgets. Well, I don't care about this. It's Saturday, or maybe not. Just let me see this out. I didn't want to sleep. It's always to be same thing. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, it feels good more. The barbecue sauce. Pretty amazing. I really can't wait to eat this thing off with my own barbecue sauce. It's a great idea, though. I'm gonna write something one. Guess who? Yeah, maybe heard things in over and over time. Oh man, really thinks that one. Oh man, really gone crazy around. Just a while be time about this. I had enough about the same thing. And over again. Way and more Christmas Day for even more so. Uh-oh. It seems to be quiet. Or just too many quiet. I don't know. Maybe it could be something else to be very quiet. I don't know yet. Way more quiet. And can't figure it out that later. Always the same. More quiet than we ever know. Anyway and anywhere else. Wait. Something is not quiet. A giant tractor! I have an idea. This kid's as big as a book snowballs until he would never come down to track out my tree house. Well, let's do this then. Well, that would be perfect idea of this. That was fun. Really distractful time out. That Woody always amazing things around. Whoa! Just didn't really talk about this. Woo-hoo! Woohoo! I'm already rich! I'm rich about this! Woohoo! I guess that was basically fun after all. Real taking a step of joke, are we? Well, nonsense. I'm sure this could be why I covered up for this one, you know. Way ahead. I guess it's already got me hovering things around. That way should be. Hey, prevent things around. A buzzard. This can be right over time about this. I wanted man how he was. Well then, I'm gonna give him a good lesson until he'll never comes back into my tree house again. And I see a buzzard shark. That's a great idea though. Well, that'll be time for over and out. I'm sure it's a perfect big place in the round, but somewhere in the space. Get it right about. And one of the same things as all the time. And word place. Name tell. Ho 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 ho. That's the Woody Woodpecker song. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. That's the Woody Woodpecker song. With ho 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 ho, the Woody Woodpecker song. Hey, that's the song. Oh wait. That's the song I could approve this one of the song could be played out for this 1948 audio recording. Keep it that way, Sig now. Don't go away. Will be next time and the next time soon to be get right and next time for a little bit of time about cartoon. Usually that's the same thing. I didn't think there'd be overtime going out for this, you know. I get it. I know it's gotta be really time about this. Gee, and Baby get things out for overcooking the chickens. Crazy. It is palatable for seeing is really consistent. Hang on there, chickens. Free from the barn. Don't escape with us yet. Because I'll be next time to get back for right out and all over to the cartoons. Anyway up. Keep it up, boys. Keep the same things around. Good luck for you now, children. I'm going out.